One of nature's most enigmatic phenomena, the crown flash, creates an otherworldly display when lightning strikes through storm clouds. This spectacular show occurs because storm clouds are filled with countless ice crystals that are naturally aligned by the cloud's electric field. When lightning discharges, it disrupts this electric field, causing millions of ice crystals to suddenly spin and reorient themselves. This mass reorientation of ice crystals changes how they reflect sunlight, creating what appears to be a moving halo or crown above the lightning strike. The crown flash can persist for several seconds as the ice crystals continue to reorient themselves until the electric field stabilizes. Each ice crystal acts like a tiny mirror, collectively creating a massive light show when they move in harmony. This rare phenomenon is best visible during sunset or sunrise, when the angle of sunlight makes the crown flash more prominent. Scientists have only recently begun to fully understand this mysterious atmospheric light show, which was once mistaken for UFOs or other supernatural phenomena. Crown flashes remind us that even in our modern age, the atmosphere still holds beautiful secrets waiting to be understood.